Right, well, we're not on with cars today. We got this box, which is a £7 remote control helicopter from China. Now, when I say the box is light and you'd think there's nothing in it, I'm not actually kidding. This is seriously light. I don't believe there's anything in it, but I haven't opened it yet, so we'll see. So I'm hoping there's something in it. I think it was £7.99 or something, or £7. I can't remember. It's taken about a week to get here, which is not too bad. Apparently it's got a remote control and a helicopter. Oh, there is something in it. There's a plastic tray. Oh, fair play. It has everything in it. Some instructions. Right. Battery installation and charging. I'm guessing this is what we're going to have to do first, but we'll come back to have a look at this anyway. So this is the remote control. God, this is actually probably the heaviest thing in the box. Don't know if they do anything. They don't feel all that good. I assume it doesn't come with batteries, but I need a screwdriver to check on that, so I'll go and have a look at that in a minute. And this is, oh, it's stuck in. This is the helicopter. Now, originally this was, the idea behind, oh, there's a charging cable. Originally the idea behind this was, I'd watched videos of a cat actually chasing the remote control toy around, so I figured I'd try and get one for cheap. I was going to get a remote control car, attach like some sort of feather toy and let the cat chase that, but for some reason I figured a helicopter would be more amusing for me as well. So this is where the idea came from. How can I not undo this? This is ridiculous. Come on. There we go. It's undone. Right. Now this thing is fucking. This is tiny. Like so light. I'm assuming these clip into place. Do they? Or do they? Maybe not. Maybe it's just as it spins round. Right. So what do I need to do first? Open the cover of the batteries and insert 6 batteries AA, sorry, followed by polar indicator. What's the polar indicator? Then tell me what a polar indicator is. Right, maybe that's inside, so we'll get a screwdriver. So back with screwdrivers. Stanley these as well, these can't be mine. I think it's going to be one. So take this little screw at the back of here. It's past QC anyway. I can't believe how light all this stuff is in this box. It's ridiculous. Right, so that's that. So we need batteries. It doesn't come with batteries, but that's fine. Where on earth does this charge up off this helicopter then? It must be in there. Open. It's not, you could. This doesn't make a great deal of sense, but how is that open? It doesn't even open. Yes, it does. Right, so we open this. This slides down here. And there's a little thing. And what on earth goes with that? That really just connect to the... That must just connect to the helicopter then. On or off? Right, yeah, so... That's there. There's a little part there, can you see it? That must be where this connects. This is actually charging off the remote control. Right. I'm going to see I've got 6 batteries. I didn't figure I'd need batteries. I assumed it'd be rechargeable. However, it's not. Doesn't tell me what to do with the USB cable though. Which doesn't make a great deal of sense. Oh, right, yeah. See, right, yeah, no, I got it. All makes sense. You can charge the helicopter, set it, and play USB. Which is probably what I'll do first. Off for some batteries. Batteries. Luckily, I have 6 actually. Otherwise, it would have been a trip to Asda. Can't be arsed with this time of the day. It's 3, 6. Right, let's get these fired in. the correct way around helps. That's that in. That's that in. That's that in. What are you up to? That's that in. That's that in. Right. Now this should switch on, but obviously the helicopter won't be charged, I wouldn't imagine. Get the back. I know this is only £7, but I shouldn't really complain, but nothing really. It's not really made all that well. It doesn't seem to sit together all that well. I mean, the screw doesn't go in straight. The battery pack's not that good, but I probably shouldn't complain, should I? Right, so we have power. Something's flashing. But I'm guessing we're not going to have power with this. Oh, it does. It's got a red light. Oh, that's interesting. Right, so we'll switch this on. And now what do we do? Is it going to tell us? It's got to tell us, hasn't it? Hold the helicopter at a height. Push the rudder stick left to turn counterclockwise and the rudder stick right to turn. Well. Whoa, shit. Wow. Yeah, that moved. Wasn't expecting that. Yeah, right, so I need to work out how it goes up first. If I can get it to go up, that'll be the positive bits. Right, so that's fine, but I don't want to know that. Driving your helicopter. Move the power switch to on, and then the power indicator will light. Well, it's all lit up, we can see that. Place the helicopter on the ground with the tail pointed towards me. Can you see that? It's pointed towards me now. When the helicopter receives the transmit, the LED of the circuit board will light. I'm assuming that it is. When the helicopter flies steady, you can slowly push the throttle stick up to make a helicopter fly higher. Right, so up to go up, obviously, down to go down. Right, let's have a go. Here we go. Nothing. How did I get it to go before? Whoa! Nearly broke it already. Right. Wow! Whoa, fuck! Ah! Drove it into my hand. I'll have to move the camera further away because it's quite amazing actually. I'm going to take a long time to get used to this working. Right, so move the camera further away and then we'll start recording again. Ignore the messy living room. Right, how did I do it? Was it that one? Or was it that one? Oh no, I've switched the joypad. Right, okay, so switch this back on now. This helps. Are you ready? Up, go. God, I don't know how I made it work. Oh yes! Look at that! You need to stop spinning around though. Whoa! Yeah. Right. I don't know, I did that. Was it that one? Yeah, I don't really want to hit the TV with it, but there we go. Well, the cat's interested, aren't you? Seem a bit scared of it. Right, let's go and get it again. This is really difficult to control this. Probably shouldn't be doing this in here, but whatever, it's a bit windy outside. Right, so let's check these controls again. Right, hover up and down. It seems to suggest that up and down is that one. Push the throttle stick up to make helicopter fly higher, or release the stick to make the helicopter fly lower. But why isn't? Why does it not just start? What's the reason behind it not starting? Whoa, fuck you! Whoa! That's amazing. Amazing. Good £7 that, right? I probably should charge this up. You know what? It's not bad. It's really hard to control it actually, but it's not bad. £7 eBay helicopter. Maybe £7.99, I can't remember. But anyway, it was under £8. Well, happy with that. Let's get this charged up and play again with it later.